Hi guys. Hope you had a great spring break. Mine wasn't very entertaining. I worked on my backyard and went for a hike. Other than that, sat around at my house, did some social distancing. It was great times. And now here we are. Um, I miss you guys, and I wish that I was talking to you instead of to my computer screen because it's not nearly as entertaining. I miss hearing your stories. I miss hearing your laughs. Um, yeah, I didn't never think teaching would come to this, but here we are. So we're gonna make the best of it, and yeah, I'm getting emotional thinking about it. So I hope you guys are safe, and we'll be excited to see each other again when that does happen. So until then, you get to see me on video. Yay, I love taking videos of myself. I've officially become a YouTuber. So that's great. We're gonna be having these videos to go over textbook stuff and future lessons. This video, I just want to show you how to move around and access your curriculum through Schoology and answer any questions. So let me do this. Move me out of the way so you can see. Welcome to online learning. Here we go. So here's how this is going to work, hopefully. So to get to your assignments, they will be updated weekly. You do not have to do them day by day. You can complete it the entire week in one day if you want, or you can complete it each day at a time. That's up to you, but I will upload new content every week for you. That will be available on schoology.washk12.org. So you'll sign into there and you will see how to access that. I'll show you in just a minute. Your login information is the same information you use to sign into the Chromebooks at the school. So if you're having any problems with that, email me and I will do my best to help you get signed on. So let me show you a little bit about Schoology and how I have that set up. So hold on. Here we are. So this is what your course will look like when you sign on. This week and next week, so week 1 and week 2, I've got combined together. And the first thing you need to do is if you are missing any assignments, get those completed. A good way to know if you're missing assignments is if you do not see this green as checkmark complete. So this weather, all the weather stuff was completed and done, so the check mark is complete. Ecosystems was not completed by this example. So if this says must complete, you need to go into that folder and it will show you that you need to complete these items. And you may have done them before, but you have to score this amount to be able to pass that assignment and get a green check mark. So all of these need to be a green check mark, and that means you are up to date and current on all of your stuff that we have done up until this point. That is all work we did before spring break. This is the new folder, this at-home learning folder. There's my buddy, he's having a rough day. So here is the at-home learning folder. So check this folder weekly to access new assignments. So if I click into here, I have available for you this week's work and next week's work. So here's the welcome video. That's what you're watching right now, just in case you needed to rewatch it. If you didn't get a chance to pick up your textbook at the school, this is a digital copy of that. And then what you'll be working on this week is your textbook. So we needed to finish textbook stuff for chapter 4. I just did some review videos on those. So what you need to do is click into here. You have to complete these items in order. So I have to do this video before it will let me do this video. So I click into here and it gives me instructions. It says click on the link to watch the lesson that covers content from the textbook, da 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 da. So I click on this link, it opens up my lovely YouTube channel with our lesson. Yay, there I am. And so you watch this, and then it will, when you go back to your folder, it will mark that you viewed that item. And then you can go to the next video. But this gives you an assignment to complete, so you'll complete your textbook, then go to this one and watch the video for this textbook, and so on. When you are done with all of these items, it will allow you to do a summary. This is so that I can just kind of check in that you are doing the work and that you are kind of reflecting on your learning. So I have made available week 1 and week 2. After you complete your textbook, the next thing is to finish your ecosystems interaction links. Those are links that we did start in the classroom. So you are more than welcome to pick up where you left off on those links or just start over. They're the simulations where you adjust different things to make different things happen in the ecosystem. And that document was sent out in an email yesterday. So if you have questions on that, let me know. But this will be for this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then your stuff all for next week as well. So good luck. Let me know if you have questions. Just to finish things up here, I gotta find my PowerPoint that I'm wanting. Hold on just a second. This one. Okay, so if you have any questions as we go about this online learning stuff, please, please, please email me. I will do my best to respond as quickly as I can to help you answer questions that you might have. So if I need to make a video and send it personally to you to explain that, I will. I'll do whatever I can to try and make this process as easy as I can for you and your parents, who I know you all are going through a rough time being stuck at home like I am. So email me if you have questions. That's it for welcome video. I miss you guys. I really, truly do. I wish that we weren't doing this type of learning, but here we are. So keep your heads up, and I'm excited to see you guys hopefully in May when all of this is over and we get to be back in the classroom. So love you, and be excellent, as Mr. Howell would say. Have a great day.